Hello, happy Wednesday. So tonight I am doing my hair. Then we're gonna do some makeup. We're gonna do a outfit. So we finna get cute. The first video is gonna be the hair. The second one is gonna be the makeup. The third one is gonna be the outfit. And I want to let y'all know that videos will no longer be dropping around 11. I'm going to do my videos in the daytime, and I'm going to do some at night. If they're in the daytime, they're going to drop at 7 that night, Monday through what? Sunday. If I do them at night, they're going to drop the next day. Okay? Because I've been losing subscribers. I only lost 2 because I wasn't recording. I have some projects going on I'm trying to get through it that will be out this time next year. So that's why I have not been posting videos a lot. So without further ado, we're going to get into this hair video, okay? If you know, you know. Let's get into it. Okay. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm a little tender-headed. And my hair is short. So now what we're going to do is we are going to part the hair like so. Y'all see that part? And we are going to put a little bit of hair grease on the part. We're going to put some on the hair. Brush it down. And now what I'm going to do, brush my hair up. We got the hair grease. And we're going to put a little bit of hair lotion. Like that. We're going to brush this down. I'm looking at my beauty room. I'm looking at my mirror. Okay. Okay. We're going to open the gel. Gel at the back. Now what we are going to do, push it back up. Now we're going to take the gel. Okay. And now we're going to brush this part back. Brush this sideways. And now we're going to brush it up. And now we're going to do these edges that your girl be struggling with trying to do. So, y'all, I be trying. And I don't know how to do no edges. So I got to practice a little more on how to do my edges. Okay, I guess. What y'all think? What y'all think? What y'all think? Comment down below if you think I did my edges right. So I'm going to brush this up like this. And I'll brush it back like this. So we got that in. I'm going to close this up. And now I'm going to open this. My hair is slick. I got it down slick. Like the hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Okay, so take these two. First, what we're gonna do. Okay. So first, what we're gonna do. Take the phone. Put some in your hand. Take the hair. This is a wig. And we're gonna put the phone on the curls. So they can have more body to it. And I choose to do this because I'm not a hair person. I'm learning how to do hair. This is a 18-inch. So we're going to take the phone, spray some, spray some, spray some. We're going to take our hand. We're going to spread it out like this with the phone. Y'all see the curls of wavy hair. Y'all see that? We're going to take some more. Put right here. We're going to do the same thing in the back with the phone. So you just want to make sure you got your phone in correctly. Keep brushing it with your hand like this so the curls will stay in. This is the water wavy hair. And now we're going to do the top. So the top can be foamy too. So we got the top. We got the top foamy. Okay, y'all see the waves? And you got two combs, one right here, one right here, and you got a jaw strap. And I thought this was long, but it's kind of short. I don't know why. But anyway, stretch it out. What we're going to do, take the combs. We're going to put them on one side right here. Let me see how to do this. Hold on, y'all. Okay. Take the combs. One side right here. And one side right here. And we're going to take the drawstring I'll take the drawstring and pull it down like that. And y'all, this is the ponytail. Simple and easy. What do you think? When you turn around in the back, so there it goes. This is the ponytail. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Share this video with your friends and family. And I will see y'all later. Thank you for watching. Bye.